Hi, my name is Giselle and welcome to Music Foundation Level 2. Today I will be discussing on ledger lines. Just to rewind a little bit, on a musical staff there are 5 lines and 4 spaces. In treble clef, we have, for the treble line acronyms, we have every good boy does fine. Between those lines there are the 4 spaces, face, F, A, C, E, and we always start from bottom to the top. For the bass clef, same thing, we have the 5 lines and also the 4 spaces. For the bass line acronym, it is Great Big Dogs Fight Animals. For the space acronym, it is All Cows Eat Grass. Now when you put together a treble clef and a bass clef together, it creates a grand staff. In the middle we have middle C. Middle C has a little ledger line. Ledger lines are lines that go below or above the staff. So with the treble clef, our ledger lines that are above the staff, we're going to think about the opposite of the bass clef space acronym. We're going to use All Cows Eat Grass. We're going to use the A for this first top ledger line, A, cow C, eat, E, and grass, G. For the bass clef, we're going to focus on the lower notes. Now we're going to think the opposite. So the face that we use for the treble clef space, we're going to use the bass for the lower ledger line acronyms. We have face, F, A, C, E. And now I'm going to play it on the keyboard. So we have our line acronym, every good boy does fine. Above we have all cows eat grass. This is A for all, C for cows, E for eat, and G for grass. Now on the bass clef, if we focus on great big dogs fight animals, below this G we're going to skip the F. This is the E, the last letter in face, C, the third letter in face, A, the second letter in face, and F. And here's your middle C. Above middle C is your D, and below your middle C is your B. That will be all. Please subscribe and have a great day.